Do you know, if you have a child that is struggling with being present, or struggling to listen, or struggling to follow instructions, are they being difficult at 3 years old? Probably not. You know, they're either distracted with something, or maybe they're, you know, there's stuff going on in their heads. There's so many reasons why children are sometimes unable to listen or follow instructions. And I think the minute we label our child as difficult in any kind of way, we lose all hope of being able to help them, because we start judging them, and then we start labeling them, and then we can't help them. Whereas if on the other hand we can take a step back and go, okay, what's actually happening? You know, are they deliberately trying to wind me up? No, they're not. They're probably just interacting with this toy, which is way more fun. Or on a deeper level, if they've got stuff going on in their minds and they're struggling to be present, then there is some mental and emotional well-being stuff that needs to be, like, they need to be helped with. So instead of your child is being difficult, just changing it to my child is having a difficult time completely changes how you show up as a parent and the way that you respond to your child.